Oh yeah, my nipple's very strong.
It's gonna be like...
And very pointy and hardy. Hi guys, good morning. Hold on guys. This gate is not strong enough. My husband is emptying his car. He's gonna fix his car. I'll tell you the story why we're going to Mount Vernon to fix his car. I'll tell you later. We're on the way to the place that will fix this car. And yeah, my English is not perfect. I'm sorry. I'm not doctor or nurse. I'm a nurse.
Filipino American. They're born in their family household is different.
Yeah, my household is different. So if you have a, but you know what? Comment all you want. But yeah. So it takes forever to clean this car because we're looking for his registration, but I finally found it.
It takes forever to clean the car because this car works, and it's loaded with work crap, and it's constantly moving, and I go 24 hours a day, so I don't have time to like sit and spend my days off making it neat and clean. It's a workmobile.
Yeah, if I use this car, it's not gonna be like this because I put the dog hair more often. Because if I travel,
ruin my leather seats, and I'm gonna be really pissed.
That's why you told me you have your cover, the blanket one.
Yeah, it's gonna be out there good for them to not ruin the seats. I put it there for honey because I don't want to get a smell in the car.
Anyway, guys, I don't say good morning. It's still 9:15. 9:50. It's 10 o'clock. So.
I gotta put gas in the car too because I can't leave it empty. They gotta run. So I only got a quarter tank.
In 1/4 mile, turn left on Wilson Woods Park Road, then take the first left.
Quarter tank is okay, but
Have you been that place, honey?
no. I was gonna hope they sent me to the same place as last time.
What do you need here?
I need some gas. I guess it's on the other side.
Turn right at the traffic light, then take the first left.
All these geese.
Look at this.
In 1 mile, take exit 8 on the right to Sandford Boulevard, then take the first
Drive
left.
careful, baby. Store, I guess. Are we?
Yes.
And
A lot of running around.
are you gonna call the
Take exit 8
Catherine
on the right to Sandford Boulevard, then take the first left.
Yet. I gotta call her. I gotta call the lawyer. I gotta call DMV, ask them why they didn't reinstate my driver's license.
and your this is where wait.
Turn left at the traffic
That's why I
light.
didn't understand the direction she took me, but
I'll see you later. I like that Jeep. No, not really that, but I like Jeep Wrangler. We are in the van. It's a big car. And while waiting for the car when we're in the Enterprises, guys, I feel the very bad pain in my left boob area. It's not in the center of my breast, but it's in the top and close to my armpits, and it's really. I keep raising it until now. I still feel a little pain. It scares me, guys. This car is crazy. Oh my God, my husband is like. Every time my husband drives different car, freak me out. It scares me.
why is that?
Seems like every time I have it in my head that every time he drive another car, slow down, Han. Oh shit.
When you're driving through a car, you get used to the brakes are gonna be different. The acceleration.
Yeah, when
gonna be a little different.
when he stepped the gas, I can feel the wheels like all over the place. Like
It's too light on the front.
it's very light. It's like, we're like speeding and then we do like that, going like a plane going to fly. Just the front wheel is, you know, the wind lift them up.
It'll be easier for grandma to get into it, low into the ground.
Yeah. The good thing is there is a light holder here, so I can hold it instead of breaking it. It's farther now. I can't break my foot in front of me. I usually, yeah. So now I have a.
The seat moves.
So much. Slow down, hon.
Driving normal.
I think having a bra all the time, it's ridiculous. It's like hurting me.
I'll take it off. Not it hurts when I do this. Alright, I gotta answer. Don't do this.
Bra, honey, it's bra. Wherever you go, you have to wear bra, or else your nipple is sticking out.
Look, your nipple's not gonna stick out to a sweatshirt and a coat. You gotta have some serious, strong-ass nipples to do this.
Oh yeah, my nipple's very strong
It's gotta be like...
and very pointy and hardy. It's not good. It's not good talking about it. Yeah, finally I'm gonna have a vegetables. It's 3 days, I think 3 or 4 days already that I don't eat meat. I remember when we went to Trader Joe's. You pick up some tilapia with coating in it.
Yep.
It's good, honey. Why there is a yellow cup in here? This is not Manhattan.
Yeah, we're coming from Manhattan. Could be going home somewhere else.
Yeah. This is the place that we are going shopping for. What? It's just like talking. Asian store right there. My husband is, yeah, he's making fun of me right now. What's the name of it? Asian supermarket is right there, guys.
Golden Village Supermarket, actually.
Golden
Really
Village.
want to know the name of it.
Okay, so we're here. I'm already here, guys. I'm just going to get some grilled cassava. Grilled cassava. Grilled cassava. They have a lot of selection here. Filipino stuff. Chippy, wishy. Yeah. They have dried fish. They have dogs. There's the vegetable section. Lemongrass. So I pick up a lot of lemongrass. Lemongrass is very important to me. So I got few. I got like 4 can of Maggi syrup, Maggi magic syrup. The liquid thing. The calamansi thing, I get that because I use that all the time, and I like to do a fried rice with that. Fried rice and then egg on top of it, like sunny side up egg. So good. Thanks, baby. He's hungry. back home and he need to eat something. And he also, what did you get, Han? A lot of mongo. I found a mongo bag over there. It's $6. Big one.
Big bags. Why did you get that? You put it in a
I just saw it when you're in the
Put
counter.
that into a big container like we would do dog food.
The car is bigger. It's really the same size of your car, right?
It's a little bigger.
It's a little bigger, wider too, right?
No, it's not wider.
It's just longer. So yeah, it's a narrow road. Naruto. You just get up? You just get up? Or you just get up? I have some cut off already here, guys, for my mungo beans.
My little bug.
Are you not ready yet? Are you hungry? Are you waiting for your turkey?
I had turkey.
Look at that. He just get up. His eyes is very obvious. Oh my god. I don't...
Oh, he's awake now. What are you guys leaving? I'm awake.
Okay, we're going out again.
You kiss.
We're gonna get something like egg. We don't have egg and vinegar and I don't know what else. What else, and do you know? Don't forget red bell pepper for. There is yeah, the bread. This.
I'm sure we need egg white.
Yeah. So it's already 4 o'clock and I'm not ready. I just took the milk out from the refrigerator. That's new.
It's half empty.
Okay, so let's go. Are you gonna?
I need to stop at the liquor store.
Look at that bird. Okay. We're having problem in this new car, guys. When we turn the light on outside, the dashboard there's no light.
That's because this. Now the dashboard.
So now.
Because they had the dashboard lights off.
Oh, okay. Already.
Really bad.
Oh, we still have the Norton on?
Yes.
How do you do that? You don't even use some of your laptop. And I don't use mine. And Isabel not.
Alright, we know what we're getting.
Egg. White egg. So we need water. Vinegar. Egg white. And milk.
Yeah, last time we went out for vinegar, we bought a whole pile of shit and had no vinegar.
And what else?
Wow, what the hell's going on here?
Wow, it's traffic.
Over here? Why?
There's something wrong.
Yeah, obviously.
No, it's just the people piling up here doesn't know how to drive.
Clearly.
They don't know how to sneak in over there. Look, we're piling up here. Look, they can't even go.
That's ridiculous.
Start fucking go.
Usually you just gotta get rid of that front guy who doesn't know how to drive and everybody else.
Oh, now it's just time to stop because there's fucking car.
You still have to stop for
And then
traffic.
there's more
I forgot to mention that was one car.
trick. Oh, this is filing up here to go to hospital area.
Oh, to the highway because we got the other highway closed.
Oh.
And these guys are just
This woman? Seriously?
in the wrong lane to move.
We're gonna buy a Mona Lisa Hawaiian thing first.
was so amazing. She goes, not only did they accept it and they let us write it as a primary home, she goes, you can put down 5% if you want instead of 10.
My camera is low, but so
She told me she liked that one. Wound up liking that one better anyway.
I don't even know what this is buying, guys. It says eggnog, Old New England eggnog classic. Look what he's gonna do. Careful.